Join us as we make spooky strawberries. What you want to do first is clean and dry a quart of strawberries.
Next, take a toothpick and poke it in the top of each strawberry.
In a microwave-safe bowl, add 1 cup of white melting chocolate.
To that bowl, add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil.
We're gonna pop this bowl in the microwave on medium heat for 30-second intervals.
Stirring between each interval until the chocolate begins to melt.
Give it a final stir, smoothing it all out. Take a strawberry and swirl it in your melted chocolate.
Allow the excess chocolate to drip off before lying it on your prepared pan. Boom! Ah!
We're drawing on our spooky faces today with a tube of black icing, which you can grab at your local store. After your strawberries have set up in the fridge for 10 minutes, remove the toothpick and then serve them at your spooktacular Halloween event.